Welcome to the ultimate face-off between the Lenovo Tab Extreme and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. If you're in the market for a high-performance tablet in 2025, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know to make the best choice. I'll also drop links in the description for the latest prices and deals so you can snag the best offer. Oh, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Now let's get into the details and see which tablet comes out on top. The Lenovo Tab Extreme and Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra both boast premium designs, but they take different approaches to stand out. The Lenovo Tab Extreme has a sleek, minimalist look that catches the eye, thanks to its massive 14.5-inch OLED display that takes up most of the front. The body is crafted from 100% recycled aluminum, making it surprisingly light at just 1.6 pounds, despite its large size. This makes it pretty portable, though its big form factor can feel a bit unwieldy if you're holding it for too long. It's also incredibly slim, measuring only 0.23 inches thick. On the flip side, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra goes even bigger with a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display surrounded by ultra-thin bezels that give it a modern, high-end look. It's just as slim, coming in at 5.6mm thick, but its extra-wide design can make it a bit tricky to handle. At 1.6 pounds, it's the same weight as the Lenovo Tab Extreme, but it feels well balanced, making it comfortable for longer use. When it comes to ports, the Lenovo Tab Extreme has the upper hand with two USB-C ports. One supports USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 for fast data transfer and connecting to external displays, while the other is a USB-C 2.0 port with DisplayPort input, letting you use the tablet as a secondary screen. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra keeps it simpler with a single USB-C port that handles both charging and data transfer. Both tablets feel solid and well made, but the Lenovo Tab Extreme's extra port options give it a leg up for anyone who needs more connectivity. In short, both tablets are impressive, but the Lenovo Tab Extreme's design and port versatility might appeal more to those who value flexibility and a striking look. Both deliver stunning displays, but they cater to slightly different tastes. The Lenovo Tab Extreme features a 14.5-inch OLED screen with a sharp resolution of 3000 by 1876 pixels, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth visuals that make it perfect for binge-watching shows or tackling work tasks. It supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, so movies and videos look incredibly detailed and immersive. That said, its brightness maxes out at 500 nits, which might not be the best for super bright environments. On the other hand, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra steps it up with a slightly larger 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling and exceptional color vibrancy. Its resolution of 2960 by 1848 pixels ensures everything looks crisp, though its brightness might struggle a bit in direct sunlight compared to some other OLED screens. The Tab S8 Ultra's display really shines when paired with the included S Pen, making it a great choice for artists or note-takers. When it comes to cameras, both tablets hold their own but with different strengths. The Lenovo Tab Extreme has a solid rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel main sensor and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, which works well for casual photos and 4K video recording. The real star, though, is the front-facing 13-megapixel camera, which delivers sharp 4K video calls thanks to its centered lens. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra takes things up a notch with a dual front camera setup, two 12-megapixel sensors that excel in video calls, especially with the auto-framing feature that keeps you perfectly centered. On the back, it has a 13-megapixel main camera and a 6-megapixel ultra-wide, offering slightly better versatility and image quality than the Lenovo. For productivity, both tablets can be paired with keyboards, but the experiences vary. The Lenovo Tab Extreme doesn't come with an official keyboard accessory, but it makes up for it with a versatile port selection, including a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port for connecting to external displays. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, on the other hand, works beautifully with the optional premium book cover keyboard, which adds a physical keyboard and trackpad for a more laptop-like experience. That said, the keyboard's flexible hinge can sometimes lead to accidental palm presses, which can be a bit frustrating. The Lenovo relies more on touch inputs, which might feel limiting for heavy multitaskers compared to the Tab S8 Ultra's DeX mode, which transforms the tablet into a desktop-like interface when paired with the keyboard. Battery life is another area where these two tablets differ. The Lenovo Tab Extreme shines here, offering up to 12 hours of real-world use, including streaming HD videos. It also supports fast charging, juicing up to 52% in just 35 minutes, perfect for when you're in a hurry. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, with its 11-1200 mAh battery, delivers similar endurance, lasting around 10 to 12 hours with moderate use. However, if you're pushing it hard in DeX mode, the battery can drain faster. Both tablets support fast charging, but Samsung requires a separate 45-watt charger, which might mean an extra expense. Both tablets are fantastic, but your choice might come down to what matters most to you. Whether it's the Lenovo's sleek design and port flexibility, or the Samsung's creative features and optional keyboard setup. When it comes to processing power, both are impressive, but they each have their own strengths. The Lenovo Tab Extreme runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chip, which is designed to handle heavy workloads and multitasking with ease. With 12 GB of RAM, it breezes through multiple apps without breaking a sweat. In benchmark tests like Geekbench 5, it even outperforms the iPad Pro in both single and multi-core performance. For gamers, the Tab Extreme delivers a smooth experience. On the flip side, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, another powerhouse chip that's perfect for demanding tasks. It comes with up to 16 GB of RAM, making it a multitasking beast, especially for productivity-focused users. In terms of raw performance, it's right up there with the Tab Extreme, and its Super AMOLED display takes gaming and media consumption to the next level. The vibrant colors and buttery smooth animations make games look stunning, though Android's limitations can sometimes hold it back, as not all games are optimized for such a large screen. For creative work, both tablets are solid choices. The Tab Extreme shines with its smooth multitasking, while the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's AMOLED display offers better color accuracy, making it a favorite for visual professionals who need precise color representation. In the end, it comes down to what you value more: the Tab Extreme's seamless multitasking and gaming performance, or the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's stunning display and productivity edge. While both are excellent, they serve distinct purposes. Both tablets are impressive, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra wins with its superior AMOLED display, S Pen support, and DeX mode for productivity. If you need a powerhouse for work and creativity, it's the better choice. Check the description for deals.